Welcome back. Network 180 serves adults, children, and families who need assistance with mental health, substance abuse, and developmental disabilities right here in Kent County. Joining us is Beverly Reiskamp. She's the CEO for Network 180. She's going to tell us more about how they've been able to help the community in recent months. Good morning, Beverly. How are you today?
Hi, doing well. And just for truth in advertising, I'm the COO, not the CEO.
Oh, sorry.
Maybe
Well, there
someday.
you go. Well, I think I gave you a promotion, maybe? I'm not sure.
Yeah,
Hey, for those
not bad for a Friday.
Okay, yeah, there you go. Happy Friday. Network 180. Maybe somebody watching right now hasn't heard that before. Tell us what role you play in the community.
Sure. We're the Community Mental Health Authority for Kent County, Michigan, and that means that we're charged with serving individuals, adults, kids, and families who are having issues with mental health, substance use disorders, and intellectual and developmental disorders as well. Most people know us by Access Center, which is on Full Avenue. And that's where anybody can come at any time, 24/7, if they're experiencing a mental health or substance use disorder crisis.
And that is obviously something that I'm assuming COVID-19 had an effect with people's mental health. How have you been able to stay open through COVID, and what's the impact you've seen of the pandemic?
Well, it certainly has posed challenges. We felt very fortunate that we were watching what was going on in other countries in February and starting to think about what would this look like if and when it came to Michigan, and what would we need to do. So we were preparing for a stay-at-home order. One of the great things about delivering mental health services as opposed to physical health services under these conditions is that we can really do a lot via telemedicine. We can provide counseling, therapy, psychiatry, just in the way that we're talking right now via video conference. And that's very safe and allows us to continue serving our whole community. Our Access Center does continue to be open. It's open 24/7. So if folks are having an issue, they shouldn't be shy about coming in and getting help.
Let's talk about that, coming in and getting help for Network 180. If you know someone, or maybe it's yourself this morning, that you think, man, I really need to reach out, struggling with either substance abuse or really just having a hard time with mental health, how do I reach out? How do I receive services? Is there an income restriction? Do I make too much money? Explain how this all works if someone needs help.
That's a great question, because of course historically we're a local government organization, and we are charged to serve as the safety net for mental health and substance use disorders, as well as intellectual and developmental disabilities. So historically, our charge population was anyone with Medicaid or without insurance. But the good news is, back in February, in May, we received a federal grant to become a certified community behavioral health clinic under SAMHSA, and that allows us to serve everybody, regardless of income or insurance type. I'd like to say, though, too, even in the old days before the grant, we were always happy to serve anybody who needed help linking to whatever care that they can access under their own insurance. People should not feel shy about calling Network 180. We can help get you where you need to go, whether that's serving you directly or linking you to a service provider that works with your insurance.
It's a phenomenal resource, and in case you missed it, no income restrictions. There's basically nothing standing between you and the help that you need from Network 180 when it comes to your mental health or substance abuse or other issues. Children, families, adolescents, adults, anyone, if they want to learn more information, maybe they just have a couple of questions, how can they reach you?
So you can always call us. The number is 336-3909. Again, we're available 24/7, weekends, holidays, you name it. We are open for the community.
Thank you so much for the time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Have a great weekend.
Yeah, you too. Don't forget network180.org, or that information, the number right there on your screen. We'll be right back.